Hello everyone. So today I thought of sharing with you a small incident, a very interesting incident that happened yesterday evening in my clinic. In fact, such incidents have happened earlier on also, but I just thought let me share this one episode with you. So there was this young 22-year-old boy, a fairly good-looking guy. He was an aspiring model who came to the clinic. And he came with concerns of open pores, a few acne spots. So primarily he just wanted tips and some products or some treatments to enhance his looks, to make him look better, to have a more glowing and a radiant skin. So it's, perfectly understandable. Boys and girls, young boys and girls of his age would want to look more attractive, better. So I understand that totally. But what was troubling me was that he came to me with this bag full of skincare products which he had ordered and accumulated over the last 3 months. So there were a couple of cleansers, there was a moisturizer, there was a sunscreen, then there was a hyaluronic acid serum, there was niacinamide serum, there was vitamin C serum, there was glycolic acid serum, then there was retinol serum. So now he was here with about 10 to 12 products, totally confused. He had used them for a couple of months, but he did not have any great results with that. And now he was so confused, he didn't know which to use in the morning, which to use at night, how to layer those products, and so I had to spend about half an hour to make him understand the 5 basic rules or the 5 basic things that help you to have a good, radiant, glowing skin. So I always tell this, that glow is not something that is going to be available to you in a bottle, in a serum or a cream form, that you just pick it up from the market and apply it on your skin. So this glow is internal. It's going to be a reflection of your internal health. So what are these 5 things that help us to get a good, glowing, radiant skin? Number 1 is genetics. If you're blessed genetically with a good, flawless skin, a no problem skin, then you're sorted. And God forbid if it's the other way around, you will keep having some issues with your skin depending on your age. But no matter what you do, how hard you try, there will be some problems happening once in a while. Number 2 is nutrition. This is of utmost importance. What you eat, have a healthy, balanced diet. Try to increase the protein in your diet for a glowing skin, for healthy hair and nails as well. Number 3 is hydration, your water intake. Very, very important. We all know this, but I repeat, we must have at least 10 to 12 glasses of water per day, plus 2 glasses in this hot, sultry, humid weather. Number 4 is sleep. This is the most underrated thing. We need about 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep, because it's only during rest that our body repairs itself. All the wear and tear that has happened, as we know, the skin is the external organ. It is exposed to all the external factors like UV rays, dust, pollution, so many other things, the cosmetics that we apply to our skin. So it has to heal, it has to repair itself, and that happens during rest. So rest is very, very important. And last and the most important and my favorite is exercise. You require about 35 to 40 minutes of exercise, any form, whatever you like to do, every single day, to increase the blood circulation, to improve your overall mental health, physical health, and of course to get a glowing skin. Thank you.